Welcome to the Khubani Library at Delbarton School's St. Benedict's Hall.
Everything was custom to the way that they wanted to see it. The architect we worked for was specific with his finishes and the beautiful architecture. When it came down to all the finishes of the carpet, the wall panels, the furniture. So we're going to first walk over to the quiet study area that's on our left as we walk here, and you will see pods of furniture that are lounge pieces and beautiful handcrafted tables. So behind the alley is their periodical units. Periodical is still an important part of a library because it's like a quick pick, which brings me to a quick pick.
If I do say so myself, this is one of Bridget's signature pieces. I think we really pride ourselves in always saying we don't rubber stamp any project, but the one piece of furniture that is really a stamp of Soika Smith Design Studios would be the quick pick, and it's something Bridget has specified and done in almost every library space that she's touched over the last 25 plus years of being in business.
These are called talk chairs. As she sits back in them, this area right here is literally a sound barrier. So it gives her the privacy, or the student the privacy here. It also slows down talking between other people.
This is one of my favorites, and I'm gonna ask Bridget to give like a Vanna White moment here.
This was, again, a school spirit request, and I came up with this design. And
it illuminates.
And illuminates, and everybody loves it. It's kind of, when you walk into the library, you see it, they keep it on all the time. There's a little privacy behind here, but there's visibility with the librarian's office behind us.
Follow us this way, and we're gonna go check out the group study rooms. You've got a table has power and data in it, whiteboard, you've got task chairs, and once you close these doors, it's so insulated, you don't hear anything going on out there.
So this also shows that we are in the business of supplying glass walls as well. They're a big part of our business of what we do in study room. And of course you have the safety band so people don't run into the glass, because they do.
If quiet study as a group isn't your thing, we also have quiet study for individuals.
So this is in high demand in all the schools. The whole idea that carols went out and that people don't want them and everything has to be collaborative isn't the case. You still need moments of shutting down, especially in this society. And it's all electrified as well. This room is very popular for kids that just want that time to prepare for a test and they don't want their friends intervening on conversation.
This may be the most frequently used space in this library. This is Spada Commons, and we're told that they flip this room out 3 times a day.
So these tables are flip-fold tables that can be stacked and piggybacked on each other. The chairs are stacking chairs.
This space is one of their more transformative spaces on campus. We also wanted to create something that was more of a permanent fixture that really kind of made it not just a sterile environment, but made it cozy.
So we're back out into the main part of the library, but the library has different segments of it that are important. The students love this because they come here, they have a beautiful view to the outside, it's a beautiful campus, and then all the electric is on the top as well.
This is really more of that public study area within the library.
And so they're known here to do, and I'm going to use the phrase Harry Potter because they do take all these tables, push them together, and they'll do a total classroom in here at these tables, which is so cool to see because that's the flexibility of these tables. Everything's on casters. Yes, it's heavy to move, but they can reconfigure, they can push together, they can open this space up completely. So as we're walking to the media lab, which is on the side of the library when you walk in, I just wanted to point out, it may seem simple, but there was a lot of programming that went into this reprographic center for the students. They have to photocopy, they have to have a place to storage, they have to do overheads, there has to be lighting in it, they have to have a tackable surface to print, to put things on. So as we walk into the media lab, it gives the flexibility. There is electrical, there's electrical on the floor, the tables are daisy chained.
It's the same in this room as an instructional space because we have projectors and whiteboards, not just here on the wall, but also with those closets being writable surfaces, and then the TV on the west wall. You can really instruct and engage and teach from any which direction in this space. This is overall, I would say, just a really transformative, easy space for overflow of any current classes or for the media specialists to be able to host something in here as well.
A lot of thought went into this. This is years and years and years of archival things, from soccer balls to newspaper clips. Every piece of millwork in here was designed with the archivist, hand in hand, so all of this was built by Soika Smith Design Studios. The table in the middle has a Trespa top on it, so he can cut and do whatever he needs to do on there.
You've got all of the sports memorabilia categorized by category: basketball, soccer, tennis, hockey, football, just archives down below in here. So this is just one of my favorite spaces because you really just get a really rich history of the different programs the school has to offer.